Do you want to see where the big money is sitting before the market even moves? Then you know you need a heat map. But here's a $1 million question. Should you go with ATAS, which promises complete all-in-one package, or Bookmap, which is only focused on the heat map? Well, in this video, we will compare these two services, these two platforms, and decide which is the best for you. Let's start with the ATAS. ATAS isn't just a heat map. It's a full-scale analytical terminal. If your trading relies on a volume profile, TPO, or if you use footprint charts, ATAS is your home base. Here are some key advantages of an ATAS platform. All-in-one solution. You don't have to keep switching between different software. You have the heat map in the one window and the cluster chart or volume profile in the other. Next key advantage is the ability to add multiple indicators and work with multiple confluences, for example, price action, volume profile, big trades indicator, and with the heat map itself. Next advantage of ATAS platform is definitely the pricing. ATAS is more expensive on monthly buyers, but it's significantly cheaper than a Bookmap when billed annually, while offering a wider range of features, especially when you go with the Ultra plan. We will get into that later. ATAS has also lower system requirements than a Bookmap, as it avoids the heavy resource usage typical of Java-based platforms, which Bookmap is. So you can run ATAS smoothly even on a low-end PC. Regarding disadvantages, the ATAS heatmap lacks the depth found in a Bookmap, particularly the integrated on-chart indicators. That said, this is something that it will be enhanced and expanded over time, considering the heatmap has been officially available in ATAS since May. Now let's dive into Bookmap. Bookmap is strictly focused on heatmaps and related indicators. It doesn't offer volume tools, a wide range of broker connections, or features like footprint charts or VWAP. For a similar or sometimes even higher price, you are essentially only tracking the order book. However, Bookmap excels in visualizing level 3 MBO data. It can analyze this dataset to evaluate market dynamics like absorption, stopping volume, and icebergs via indicators, capabilities that ATAS currently lacks. Just like with ATAS, if you use, for example, broker with Rhythmic or DX feed, you can execute trades directly within Bookmap. When it comes to data, it's crucial to understand this. To see full depth of the market, including resting liquidity, you will need level 3 MBO data, level 3 market by order. Standard level 2 data will only show you very narrow order book, limited to few price levels above and below the current market price. So for both ATAS and Bookmap, best data provider is Rhythmic. The biggest advantage has to be the crystal clear heatmap. You can see every single millisecond and every filled order with maximum precision. Bookmap is simply designed to work much deeper with this MBO data than ATAS, making it ultimate tool for scalpers who need to have every single tick under the control. When it comes to detailed visualization of MBO data and of the order book, there is simply nothing better than is Bookmap. ATAS simply cannot compete in this specific area of order book deep visualization and order book indicators. ATAS will show you the heatmap, but not in that specific detailed view. The question is, do you really need every single information about every single tick in the market? Well, it depends. If you are ultra quick DOM scalper, yes, you will need those informations. But if you're a classic scalper and classic intraday trader, I don't think so. Now let's compare the pricing. In order for you to display deep MBO level 3 data in Bookmap, you will need the best subscription, which is Global Plus. This subscription costs $99 a month when billed monthly, or $79 a month when billed annually. Or you can buy lifetime access, lifetime license, which costs $1,990. This is just the price for the Bookmap itself, not for the data. You will need buy an additional data feed, as I said, Rhythmic, or Connect Broker, which provides this data feed. In order for you to display MBO level 3 data and full order book depth in ATAS, you will need to purchase Pro version of ATAS or Ultra version of ATAS. Both versions will show you real-time level 3 MBO data, plus other professional in-depth volume indicators such as professional footprints, volume profile, TPO, VWAP, and so much more. Pro version of ATAS costs 69.9 euros in case of monthly billing, 59.9 euros in case of 3 months period billing, 39.9 euros in case of annual billing, and lifetime license will cost you 1,799 euros. Again, it's just price for the software itself. You will need to pay an additional data feed or connect the broker which provides the data feed. The bottom line is that ATAS offers significantly better value for your money. It's a comprehensive trading suite that combines professional volume tools like footprints, market profile, and VWAP with advanced order book analysis. In contrast, Bookmap is a specialized tool focused almost exclusively on the order book and heatmap. For similar and in many cases higher price point, you are limited to order book visualization, whereas ATAS provides a complete arsenal of professional volume tools right off the box, and in many cases for lower price. So my final verdict: ATAS is the go-to choice for traders looking for the best value for their money. It's perfect for those who want the maximum quality and professional all-in-one workstation without having to jump between different apps. Bookmap, on the other hand, is greater toward high-end professionals who trade purely based on the DOM and liquidity. So if your main point is liquidity and heatmap, go for Bookmap. But it's for those who have a larger budget and don't mind paying extra charge for external software to complete Bookmap's specialized visualization. Because Bookmap won't show you the context. You need some basic price action charts, volume charts, etc. And this is something that Bookmap can't offer. So now you should have an idea of which software is the right fit for you. Neither is bad, they simply cater to different types of traders. I will leave links to both platforms in the video description below. Also, we have a special promotion running on our website right now, where our students can get the full version of ATAS for 1 month, completely for free. So if you are interested, head over to our website. Link is in the description of this video. If you have any following question about this video, feel free to ask also in the comment section down below. And if you want to learn more about order flow, be sure to check out our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.